know, more wind. Great. I left Southwestern and there was no wind. I get to the park and there's wind. SJ, if you're seeing this video, then I guess the quality of sound is decent enough to understand what I'm saying through this wind. I don't know. So you want me to babble today? I can do that. I can do that. I would like to comment on the fact that you said you like dresses, but in reality I think you just really love dresses. Yeah. I think you just really love dresses, not just really like. So I wore an orange again today, in support of Taylor. Oh, it's backwards. It says Atwoods. I'm too lazy to change it now. I don't even know if you're gonna see this video because of the quality of sound. Yeah, Taylor's still hanging in there right now. I have composed myself enough to function enough to go to class today. I have not been sleeping well and I have not really been eating like I should be. By that I mean I've barely eaten anything the last 2 days, and what I have eaten has consisted of one meal, like one full meal, and then chocolate and cookie dough. Yeah. So yeah, I'm actually gonna be going home here in a couple of hours. That doesn't help any. So yeah, I don't know what to do besides pray. So yeah, one of the things I'm going to talk about today, I don't know why I'm leaning in, probably so you can hear me. Today I went to the chapel planning meeting, because I've been doing sound for chapel, as you know, and got the laptop scripture. And so I went to the chapel planning meeting for service next week, and Ben Hannah speaking, and it is Halloween, and so we were kind of brainstorming things, and we started off with a little discussion about our weak points of chapel and how we can use those weak points as positive things. And one of the things that I brought up was we were talking about how there's small amount of manpower, and that manpower really is we have a few people, but we're not always committed and willing to be the leaders that we need to be. And the way that I thought that we could use that as a positive thing, or turn it into a positive thing for chapel, is about sharing our experiences with chapel, because that's how I got involved, was because I heard some good things, good experiences that people have had over the years with chapel. And I am just blessed to be able to be part of a ministry like this that reaches out to, the community. It may just be, my ear is really cold. The wind's coming from that way. It's just great to be able to reach out to the community, even though it may just be SC students. It's just really great for me because I've always wanted to be a part of a ministry that does something like that, but I've never really had the opportunity to, so it's really great. And I kind of touched on this last video, and you didn't say anything about it, but I might be moving soon-ish. By might, I mean will be, and by soonish, I mean next year I'm transferring to Lawrence to KU. So we'll be closer a little bit. But, and who knows what opportunities are going to be there. So, well, that was 5 minutes of me rambling, and I don't know if you're going to be able to actually, like, hear what I say, so I miss you. What? Okay, that was probably really creepy. Bye!